Okay, that's cool. At school, we are up. Awesome. Just a quick check. Give me just a tiniest second. Yes. Looks okay. Perfect. Perfect. Let's go do something. Um, as always, creating Grace Engine, amazing tool for completing and actually building websites, and later mobile apps, and later complete software. And today I have some annoying bugs to fix, like really annoying. So I don't know how it will go because bugs can get sticky and you just don't know. You have no idea. Also, I'm quite not able to concentrate perfectly today, so it can be actually fun. It's like I was drinking almost, but I don't. Um, so let me just find my bugs list and and okay, for example, this should hopefully be quite simple to do. Which is, here we have this viewport. It's technically called editor, but it'll be editor later. Hey, nice to see you. Man, not this week. Not this week. I didn't even get your list of mods. It will happen. It will happen. I promise. I promise you at least one stream. At least one. Someday. This month. Okay? I promise. But give me the list of mods you want me to put in the Minecraft thing. Okay. Okay, Jesus, I cannot believe I'm going to play Minecraft. Come on. It's like I'm 15. I'm not 15. uh, okay, well, I have a hard time to concentrate, so at least I have some fun. Thanks for that, man. Thanks for that. Still need to do some work around here. And good you are here. I'm about to look at your code. I remember I have it in my favorites. So this is the first time I'm about to see C++ code. Probably. But isn't it like kids are taking over? I heard about this movie that came out like a week ago. That kids are eating and adults don't get at all. I may be wrong. I haven't seen it, and well, I guess I'll see it. Just not in cinemas. So I need to prompt some error in here. Thinking about how to do it. Will this be sufficient enough? Just do this shit. Probably. What's the error? Past error. Give me something. It was a bold ask. Okay. What? No. I haven't seen you in a week, I guess, so a lot could happen. What happened there? What what did Windows do? I don't know if it's surprising, honestly, because I don't know. Windows goes crazy these days. Okay, this is weird, but sure. Oh. No, I need the second one. Load feature. Yes, I need this one. Okay, so okay, good to know. Maybe somehow. Wow, wow. Did you have some of those encryptions? Is it maybe because of this? Like, it's hard to imagine that it corrupts every single drive. Or if there is an encryption on those drives, then it makes sense. Wow, that's brutal. Did you get something out of it, or is it just completely gone? Right, okay. Yeah. Man, I'm sorry. That sucks. Do you have at least something? Did you salvage it? Oh, Jesus. Jesus. That's brutal. That's crazy. So, are you trying to restore it? I don't mean restore it like, save the data. I mean restore it, like, start again, essentially. Oh. So you didn't lose everything. That's good. Wow, man. That sucks. Do you practice solid backup? You say like external drive, but is it a backup or is it convenience? Right. Is it going to teach you do the proper backing? Like how do they call it? 3-2-1, like 3 on site, 2 external drives or external spaces, and 1 off location, like off continent. No. Yeah, people don't learn. People just don't learn. I remember honestly when I was starting out, like I was, I was renting some servers, and there was no money for backups. Jesus, I was scared the whole time. You sure you don't have much to lose? I'm sure you have stuff like I don't know, like the circuit designs, for example. That's valuable too, I'm sure. Like real work stuff. If saves in games are the worst, then that's just annoying. But if you'd have actually something of real value, irreplaceable, which when I say real value, I mean like irreplaceable. Like, of course, saves are important as well, but and they are, yeah. But yeah, That's a mindset. Okay, okay. So in the end, you didn't lose too much. So it's rather an annoyance than a problem. That's good. Still sucks though. Still sucks. This is some silver lining. How they call it? That's awesome. That's great. That is such a self-deprecating speech. Jesus. Uh, that's the way of minimalism. God. Why this sucks so much? I need to. Uh, you know what? This get rid of it just for testing purposes. The debug. The data sheets of what? Ah, I see. Okay. And you have them? You said cloud, so you have them, right? Ah, cool. Awesome. You have such a chill life. If I lose everything, it means I lose nothing. Man, what a sentence. NE555. NE555. Ah, right. Ah, fuck off. Ah, I see. I see. Okay. Yeah, so it's pretty much like publicly available. It's just chore to re-download them. I see. I'm not even trying to understand this. Ah, okay. But it's not irreplaceable. This is the most problematic thing. If something is irreplaceable, then how do you do it? You, excuse me just for a second. Ah, okay. All is good. I see. I see. Well, I do. That's why I share with many different servers and cloud as well. I can't imagine to lose everything. The thing or a crash? Like you mean you would try to avoid the thing that is irreplaceable or a crash or losing it? Now it just stays there. It's not. What? Am I crazy? It used to stay there. Damn it. Oh, okay. Okay. So, like, irreplaceable things are things that you create. Usually. So let's say that you have some complicated design, right? I believe that there are designs that you can make, you will probably make in the future, and you cannot just rethink them, redraw them, but at least not easily, right? Like I don't know. I cannot imagine that you would lose and redraw a design for motherboard, for example, like PC computer ATX motherboard. It's it's persistent. Come on, fucking Docker. What? Why don't you want to load? Oh, much better. I may actually cause a real error. Okay. Mm. Yeah. Okay. That's I think a good thing. Like you don't really lose things from cloud, even though it's like just remote PC, remote computer, but they locally like back up the data and everything. So I believe it's pretty much safe. Although then, depending on where you share, Google or Microsoft, they steal your designs. Maybe you don't care, maybe you care. It's also necessary to think about. And I really don't trust those. How about this? Yeah, I see. Okay. Well, I guess we will see when life gets more complex in the future, and losing something isn't just an annoyance, but so much work that it essentially becomes irreplaceable. Because that is what everything comes down to, right? Hmm. I don't know. I think I'm just thinking about what if I get something like this, like corruption. I think I'm safe mostly. Like at the end of the day, I push on Git on our local server, not local server, on our server, and it's backed up to different provider. I guess the entire Europe would have to blow up, so I would lose things, which can happen, but didn't happen yet. No, I want my error. Why don't you want me to grant me an error? I want my error. This is error. I see. Yeah, yeah. I see. Okay, I got you. I gotcha. That's good too. That's good to have this kind of understanding of what's important to you. What's the necessity to keep safe? Hi, thanks. How are you? Uh, yes. You know what? I'm actually going to cause an error. I don't want to be waiting for fake error. Yes. Really? But my question is, you are a thinker, actually. So, don't you have tools that are specifically adjusted by you? Like you can bought a drill. It's not no biggie. Yeah, it's expensive, but you know, nothing crazy. But I can imagine if you made some changes to it, then yeah, I would consider it maybe not irreplaceable like by the definition. Why? Why are you saying that? That's horrible. You respect your tools, man. Oh, here it is. Oh, okay, cool. This is what I needed. Oh, so I have a real chance of fixing this finally. Finally. Huh. I don't need this. But what I need is to probably set edit blah blah blah. Remove edit. No, this is loading. Remove editor. That's interesting. Okay. They're not loaded because why not? You- Oh, come on. Um, yeah, well, whose fault is that? I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. I have my mood today. Hey, if okay, so I cannot tell most of the time. But if you run out of filament, then it's not the printer's fault. Yeah. Jesus. Uh, yeah. Okay. So here it was. Okay. This is going to be beautiful. Hmm. You think that the quirks are just from manufacturing or design issues? Ah, okay. Okay. So another project for you. Go for it. Yeah, sure. Hey, it does the job, and if I remember correctly, you saying last time that yeah, it's good enough for you. Well, it's doing its things, right? But still, I feel sometimes like we are so used to thinking that only the most expensive thing can do the job, which is absolutely not true. Hmm. These headphones are expensive, but maybe. Jeez, oh, I'm an idiot. God, I refreshed. Let me. Then you are right. You are quite spot on, actually. Hey, honestly, it doesn't matter. I think. Yes, this is what I wanted. What I wanted the whole time, and you provided. Oh, perfect. Want to do done. But hey, does it do the job? Is it helping you with making stuff, editing stuff, fixing stuff? Uh, yes. Done. Bye bye. not do, not do. Bye bye to the to do thing. Um, give me just a second here. I need to find another thing to fix. Property is not shown in text. What's this about? Oh, this is interesting. This I actually should fix. Because this is... Ooh. Okay. This is another one of cases I'm an idiot. Okay, so let me just replicate it. Where is my... Yeah. Then fix it! Fix it for them! And sell them solution. Have you ever thought of actually, go and try to search for a simple, cheap solution to, these low cost products and offering it to the manufacturer? Because that sounds like also a path. And if there is something that they just haven't think of, and you offer them solution that is not more expensive, because there are solutions like the fact that manufacturers are moving big numbers doesn't mean that they know everything. Those are two printers. I like the name though. Let me check them. Centauri Carbon. Annoying. Jeez, I don't want to. Just want to browse the web. Well, I like the presentation. That's fun. Okay. Cool. And which one is the other? You said Neptune 4. Okay. Almost. Neptune 4. Yeah. Okay. Neptune 4 Plus. Show me Plus. I want to see Plus. Okay. Did you get the Transformer as well? I hope so. You get out too? You get out too. Come on. At least they still sell replacing like parts. That's cool. Oh. The speed, it's like how much of the spool, right? It's not like height or something like this. How is this better? Okay, so it's fully enclosed, so obviously it will be more expensive just because of that. Oh, I like to watch these. Okay. Explain, please. Don't know what it means. Yeah, super fast chip. Sure. What's the difference? Core XY and Batslinger. Are those names or technologies? Yeah, like it's moving the bed, right? Okay. And this is moving the head? Oh, so Batslinger is a type. It's not a name. Ah, okay. I see. I see. Okay. Yeah, I can see how, you cannot have perfect precision when moving the bed because there will always be some residual movement of anything that's on top of it. And you have much better chances by, directing, driving this thing. Mm, right. Yeah, for the next time. Or you can actually build your own printer, isn't it right? Because the parts are available. I guess they are expensive, but available. Or wouldn't it be too hard for you to actually build almost from scratch? Get motors and get some maybe software to build your own, like not from bed, frame, head, but actually like take motors and build it and do all these things. Because I can see there is a precision. Otherwise, it's not too complicated, is it? Hmm. I see. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Vertical is very, very slow, I guess. It has to be. I know. I don't really have a use for 3D printer, but I'm happy that they exist. Okay, so my take is the downfalls are exactly the precision, because that's what it's all about. Is it that, or is there more? Tell me. You serious? Maintainability is issue with DIY? I thought it would be exactly the opposite. How? How? This is awesome coffee. Uh, Jesus, where was I? Precision is the best. Why am I so wrong? Explain, please. How is it possible? I thought that make it do exactly on picometer what you will need. I thought that would be the issue. So let's try this chi. Okay. So let's go here. Yes. This should actually make the problem, so we'll see. Ah, where are you people? Here you are. Both machine. Metal. Okay. Okay, but it's not just about the motors, right? It's about the whole construction. Because the whole construction has to hold perfectly still. And if something vibrates, then the whole construction has to vibrate all together with the I don't know the desk it's on. So it's not just about the motors. Oh, let's try this. This shouldn't be. Why? Is it this maybe? Actually, because of this? Well, that would suck. Oh, it's because of. Oh. Okay, that's interesting. Okay. So it's because it's nullable. Okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I believe that actually. Like I know that there are companies that use custom firmware, I'm sure. There always will be some. Otherwise, yeah. Like not the most well, I guess there are many. Isn't Bamboo Lab the one that fucked with everyone recently? I see. Now I'm curious. If you are using different motors, different engineering, how can you use the same firmware? The technical side is more interesting than the political side. It is going to be interesting, I guess. Because what I need. Here I should have Here I should have somewhere the select that I have to fix. This is my select. Display tag. Okay. What? Wait, what? Wait, what? Okay. So it's highly modified by config file. Okay, I see. Is it licensed or open source or free? Ah, okay, that's cool. That's cool. Yeah, I see. Okay, that's quite interesting. Hmm. So, okay, you tell the firmware what the printer is like, but then the firmware is it now. I don't understand firmware and embedded things perfectly, but firmware technically is like embedded software, right? So it needs a very specific like electronics to function. So does it mean that most of the printers have the same main board or chip? Okay, now I'm curious. Explain, please. Oh. Hmm. How do I do this? Display by tag item. Running. Prepare properties select. What? Wait. Here is some. Then I need somewhere somehow to tell it that I'm looking for strings. Oh, okay, I see, I get it. Hmm. Okay, and ARM has like the same basics. Okay, I see. So they are essentially using common CPU. Say what you want, but at least those spam messages on Twitch are a little bit more smart. See? Yeah, but ARM, as it has some specific instruction set. So you can at least At least you can easily, quite easily, like I don't want to diminish the efforts, quite easily to convert or build for that architecture if you've built it once. So we are talking about printers essentially like simplified PCs right now. Same CPUs, same basic stuff with different like yeah. For some reason, I would think that 3D printers would be more simple because there is I don't see the need for full-fledged operating system. Like, why install Linux, right? Why put in sophisticated CPU? I, I can think of a reason that is a simplicity, like the simplicity of building it because the thing is already built. Really? You say power, but I see power as something different than complexity. But yeah, I just can see the design or the business reasons rather, because getting your hands on some standard ARM processor is very much different and much easier than to create some custom chip, and much cheaper. So I can see it. I can see it. And we don't really blink twice anymore about what's like if it's using chip or whatever. Like I can see that my kettle will be soon using some ARM shit. Because why not? Okay, we are getting somewhere. So type is definitely string. Now, where is it coming from? Not here. This is it. Wait. Uh, for each. No, that is the thing. No for each. Okay. Yeah. Chain. This is going to be it. Okay, type. And oh, okay. Gotcha. So properties. Now I'm dealing with property here. I think. Check this. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Okay. Okay, that makes actually sense. Like we wanted to do so much now. Mm, like the whole IO. Okay. I guess it makes sense. I just didn't expect to be like full-fledged processor CPU. I see. Okay, gotcha. That absolutely makes sense. Yeah. Once you start adding all these things, all these, as you say, benefits, camera and Wi-Fi and all this, then yeah, I get it now. I get it. Mhm. Which nobody wants if we want to have printers in, our homes. Maybe HP could take that and make their printers quieter. Frick is this? Name UID? No. Ah, okay. This isn't even. Damn it. This extends? What? What? Wait. I'm confused. Mm. Well, I don't know. Like, you know how a dollar makes a huge change in people's decision making. 10-15%, that's something. Okay, a specific question. How, let's say you are using the same motors. How does CPU make it quieter? You mentioned quieter. Like the noise is made by the motors. What the frick? Okay, sure, why not? Why not? I think I say. What the hell is happening here? Jesus. Yeah, that's wow. No, why? That's horrible. No, no, I need to find this. How this happens because so what I'm checking. Okay, we are checking this thing, and this thing is coming from this. And this is coming here from this. You kidding me? Oh. Yeah. I have very fuzzy idea what a stepper motor is. I mean, like how it works, like what it is inside. Oh, wait, what? They don't turn continuously, but no motor runs continuously. If you don't provide power, then it just doesn't. Huh. Wait. Now this requires some explaining, because in my mind, every like this device, every motor, every anything like this is, the precision is driven by you provide some amount of power, electricity in these cases, right? And you calculate the electricity, you provide it, and it does the thing according to how much power it consumes, right? So where am I wrong? Because obviously I'm somewhere wrong. Page, properties, article. Ooh, that's ugly. Why didn't I think of it? Hmm. Oh, so the stepper motor is giving a feedback which you can use to drive the next decision, right? Oh, still wrong. Ah, okay, good idea. Okay, which one? This is something. I hate this so much. Hmm. Is this something we can see everything? Doesn't look like it. Yeah? Okay. Because I don't see anything special there. And I have no idea what is stator or what is winding. So there is a coil. Ah, it's a coil. Okay. Oh, I see. It's a coil that goes all around the motor. May half a turn. Okay. The other side. Right. One is here, and the other one is here. Right. It looks like it. Yeah. Okay. This core, like the motor itself. Okay. So you are using magnets to turn the motor. Hmm. Yeah, that I understand. Yeah, that I get. That I get. Yeah, both. Mm. So you can stop the motor at any time you want by the coils. It's just like a brake, magnetic brake. It sounds so cool. Yeah, of course. Yeah, you are essentially manipulating a magnetic field. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, isn't that how like electric motor works? Like what like what does it mean to power a motor, right? As far as I know, it's actually like powering magnetic field that starts to turn the thing inside the pole or shaft, how they call it here. Okay. What is a brush in a motor? this. To be it. Uses an electric brush for contact and is designed to be run from a direct current power source. Ooh. Brush versus brushless. Oh, that's convenient. So the brush is the magnetic part? Then I'm wrong. I have no idea what's going on here. Yeah. Commutator. Yeah. I see. Yeah. Yeah, I see it's split. Hey, is the stream okay? Yeah, it says it is. Oh, that's weird. Okay. What can you do? Ah, okay. Thank you. So the brush is connected to a wire, and the coil tries to align itself. Coil tries to align itself to get disconnected. Ah, okay. That makes sense. Because from this picture, it looks like it's rotating with the shaft. brush gets to a patch, the coil. Right. So the brushes are stationary, and the commutators, the pads, they are rotating. Sure. Okay. So instead of this serves like the coil. This like this is getting charged, and it makes the shaft spin because of these commutators. Kinda. Okay. Honestly, at this point, I'm taking kinda. Okay. Okay. And mm. So there is a coil. I'm so lost. Oh, the orange? They say the orange is rotor. What? They're lying to me. Okay. Cool. Cool. How can I understand it? uh That's crazy. Okay. I see. Okay. So you have finer control over what's going on with electricity. Okay. You go directly to the coil. Hmm. You have it here. That one. Yeah, sure. Here's the coil. Oh, right. Yeah. I see. Okay. Because it it works not on a stable electricity. It works on changes of the magnetic field. You change the magnetic field, and it does something. The step. Yeah. I see. Okay. Okay. Good. That's interesting. Okay. Yeah. So you can make right. So you can even make like finer motors by making it like shorter step. Must have been saved like this. Damn it. Can we do? Apple. One. Doesn't matter. Be way too expensive. Yeah, I see. So what we did instead is, wow. So you can actually do even like half steps? You can push a little bit less electricity and do half? Ooh. That is a fine control. Okay. And it depends actually on how much electricity you push in. Need to check because it's saved like this, I'm sure. Features are here. 21. I'll just reply here. I see, okay. Yeah, I see. So you can control a lot there. But for such control, such calculations, you actually need better CPU, faster CPU. Which, of course, makes absolute sense. But, yeah, it's imprinted here. Damn it. Yeah. There are some smart people to figure these things out. That's awesome. That's awesome. No, we need import because there it's fucked up there. Thing. It's not actually in here. It will be here probably, maybe. Of course. Of course not. It's all in here. I think. Properties, yes. Which this is weird. Give me just a second here. This is strange. Of course. Type, yeah. Array type. I don't care about array type. I'm looking at this. Review? No. It's just in here. Yeah. What? Ticket. Down here. Did it fuck up? Oh, it's here. I see it. I think, I hope. Uh, so, oh, too bad. I learned a lot. Thanks for that. It's awesome. It's just always that there is this idea that, you know, things look quite simple, but then you get into it and you start thinking about it and you figure out, I have no idea what's going on. Or at best, very little idea of what's going on. So yeah, this is definitely awesome. Now we'll see. This is going to work. And honestly, these things are so complex, like unbelievably complex. Hello there, how are you? Yeah, I discovered Kick like 2 weeks ago. Not even, maybe 10 days ago, and started to try it out. How is everyone? Now let's try and see if it actually worked. I can go directly to the source. Show me. Is it what I want? No, it's not. Damn it. Oh. Oh, good. Go. Looking at something else. No. Sure, damn it. Let's do that next time. Soon I'll be finishing this, and I will take a look at the code you sent last time. because I'm curious to see. But remember this. Remember this instead of Minecraft. You're kidding. Yeah, at the same time. Awesome. Um, you know what? Give me a minute. Just one tiny minute. So, Minecraft. You want to torture me? Is I'm sure it's only that, right? Um, let's see. Maybe. Man. I promised you already. What more do you want from me? I guess to actually do it, right? So how is this looking? Items at one article. And this is wrong. Why? You're supposed to be nice to me. Did here starts with specs of what? Mine? Of a lot. What do I get? RTX 4080, Ryzen 90, no, 7950X, 64 gigs, like a lot. My work is demanding. Like of file Amazon. Like I can run a lot. Coffee's gone. I don't get it. How much power I want? What? Oh, well, I provide it for myself, so not quite. If it only were this easy. Yeah, I'm a fan of local computing, so that's probably it. Let's do some research. Hey, honestly, you don't need more. Most people don't need more. I don't need what I have sometimes. Although I do max the RAM and the cores. Oh, okay. I guess I need it. Oh, okay, okay. I just don't think, we don't need the top of the line, usually. Most of the time. Like, we don't. Yeah. But hey, you play Fallout. That's great. You can play whatever. It can play it. Oh yeah. I saw them. They are good. They are crazy good. You know? Really? Is Intel the good guy now? Wait, didn't Nvidia not open source, but freed up the drivers or parts of it? Like I know that Nvidia leaves big chunk of work for community, but uh, I'm not sure. I feel like I heard something. Unix drivers, Nvidia. See? See? Ah, okay. Well, it will change. They will have to change. Oh yeah, because if I'm not mistaken, it's not like full drivers. It's more about providing the sources or to build, the driver support for Linux. They did something. I get it's not perfect, but I feel like it'll be better because like the people are moving towards Linux, whether they know it or not. But like Steam Deck did a lot, and Linux community is getting bigger and bigger. They won't be able to resist for too long now. Now, wait the fuck, this isn't working. Oh, let's try it one more time. Honestly, that's great. Like, I'm not sure if I'm up for a Linux, but the options are great. The options are what I want, what we need. Why this isn't like what? Oh, because I'm an idiot, which is usually the case. Come on. So what are we looking now? Yeah. For this series, so okay, I don't know how about Linux. For this series, typically is a great card. They're awesome, honestly. But 50, uh, from what I saw, they messed up. They messed up a lot. Yeah, I see, I see. They'll come around. They will have to. Like it's that simple. That they have no other choice actually. Go item. So let's get back here. For some reason, it's still not there. For some reason. Woo! Oh. Oh, maybe now? Really? Last time I remember you saying Arch is like the basis for Steam Deck, for SteamOS. Jesus, Nvidia. Like isn't like the core of Linux the same for all distros? So it shouldn't actually be such a difference in there? I got it working! Finally! Yeah, all this I needed to see there. Woo! I'm so happy. Clean up. Clean up a little bit. And done. Improvements since when? How? What is the time frame you are seeing? Like I know that people run Cyberpunk, RTX, and all, so it is different. It is better, and more things are being ported directly to Linux, and yeah. Oh, I'm so sorry for laughing. Okay, well, you will never get a better chance to do it, a better opportunity. Oh, I'm so happy about this. Done and fucking done. And I'm so sorry for swearing today this much. I warned you. I'm in my mood. Oh, this is awesome. I really needed this. Okay. Oh, you will never let this go. You will hold grudge on your deathbed. Now, let's take a look. uh, they deserve it. Yeah. Unfortunately, never going to happen. They are too big to fail. Okay, so first, excuse me for not having any idea because I just never saw a C++ thing. Well, I saw, I didn't get it. Uh, oh yeah, but also Roman Empire was failing for hundreds of years. Also, today's world works so much differently, but I get it. No, they are growing honestly, and not just in revenue, not just in share value. They are actually growing. Like more people uses Windows than ever. That's just how it is. But they will fuck it up. They are fucking it up. You know, Windows 10 and 11 are great OSs. What they are doing wrong and will continue to do wrong is this fucking shit. This right here. Oh, I hoped I can show better, nicer. Like they have no business putting ads into everything. And I think people will get fed up. People will get fed up with AI one day, and like, yeah, Linux is becoming a viable option, which will change a lot. That's for sure. So, tell me something about this. Maybe I can read this thing. Okay, handling errors. What do you mean? Handling errors like on embedded things? Yeah. Like, Why would I need this? Sure. Like, no. Runtime errors on circuits or in software in general. What's like the use case? So like you mean I can run it and it'll be catching errors? I never claimed to be a programmer, like, systems programmer. Oh, so it's for other developers. Other developer can take it and use it into their software. Okay. Well, it's definitely structured, which is a huge plus. Let me just skim over quickly. Okay. Where is it like happening? Like you said it's catching errors. I see more like messaging than catching. Right of file. Yes, I see. Mm, it's nicely written. It's structured well. For my taste, too many comments, but maybe they are necessary. If it's for other developers, yeah. I see. I see. Okay, so you are simplifying the reporting thing or making it more understandable. Ah, that's cool. That's cool. Okay. I like how it looks. It's quite like easy to understand, nicely named methods, which is also a huge plus. You know, yeah. Yes, I know what you mean. Like error handling is bitch and half sometimes. List of all code errors. Nice. That is cool. Yeah, hey, for my taste, there is too many comments. Like but again, for my taste, I like to make the functions or the methods like the names being the one that explains what's going on in there. But also you don't really need to. You don't really need to. Maybe they are needed. You never know. But yeah, nicely structured, well understood. Even without knowledge of C++, I can see what's going on there, which is awesome. Yeah, there are outputs. Hey, good job. Clear. Oh, this is such a nice inclusion. This is cool. This message is cool. Just yeah, let the developer know what's going on. Hey, good job. I like it. Yeah, nice distinction. Hey, awesome job. It really is. That's cool. Oh, really? First one, nice. Yeah. Hey, that's nice. That's awesome. That's awesome library to make for like your first project, and useful too. I exactly hate those hello world and I don't know make Flappy Birds. Like people don't. Well, some do. Most people don't learn from things that are useless. I like it. Great job. Do you use it in some other project or planning to use it in some? Nice. That's cool. That's the best showcase. Wow. Okay. That's cool. That's more than cool. That's awesome. You talking about the app for the store? Was it store? BSFF? What does it stand for? Oh, I see. Okay. No need. I got it. A little late, but I got it. Do you have some downloads? Where do I see some downloads or where do I see anything? I don't really use, GitHub. We have our own like Git server. Hmm. Maybe you need to share it with people. These are like the tiniest things that are of huge value. Cool. I like it. Good job. Next one you make something, just share it and we can take a look. I'm curious. Anytime. Anytime. What is this? Okay. No! Now to work. Make me a list of those mods you want me to try. Make me a list for next time. What do you think? Okay, which thing? Jesus. If you are asking about like specific mods, I have no idea. If you are asking about like in general in games, tech, sci-fi, exploration, sometimes stories. I play games for stories mostly. Sci-fi stories. Those are the best. ATM 10, ATM 9. What is that? Those are mod packs. Ooh. Dang man, I'm going to buy a Minecraft because of you. That's crazy thought. No, what? Yeah, get out. If you cannot live without ads, don't live at all. Okay. Okay. You know what? We will do this when I'm ready to get Minecraft. Um, we will get on stream, and once I see you here, we will install and start it from scratch. I won't be doing it by myself. You can be part of my full Minecraft journey. Okay. At least one of us have any idea what to do. Is that Minecraft or Sims? Let's call it Minecraft. Okay, man. It was fun. It was awesome, but I'm going to have to go to deal with some phone calls that I missed. Yeah, I'm going to Hades, but yeah, what can you do? Okay. Going to sit properly a little bit. Not now. I don't use. I don't use Discord. I don't use any of these public channels as of yet. I am going to at some point. So right now we are going to have to keep it on chance, but at some point, as I said the last time, a Discord will have to come anyway, so we can get there later. So unfortunately, not now. Yeah, getting through all of this. Um, I am not sure. I would say a month from now, but I don't want to promise. I don't want to be promising because it's not like for me it's a business, right? So it's not like I just create a Discord server and that's it, or Discord account and that's it. I need to somehow manage the time. I need to figure everything out. Unfortunately, it's not as easy for me. But what I can do for you is we can schedule the Minecraft thing anyway when we meet here at some point. I'll be ready, and I'm ready for the Minecraft thing during this month. Um, we can we can say at some of these streams that next time at a certain time, certain day, it will be Minecraft stream. We can schedule it like ad hoc. Sounds good. Okay. Hey man, thanks for chatting, and I'll see you next time. Definitely coming this week. Definitely, at least one more time, somehow, somewhere, sometime. Okay.